So that's the reason that I'm drawing the clip here, and I'm staying straight against the anvil. Alright? So as that clip starts to move, if I see that maybe my hammer blow isn't quite absolute center flat, and the clip is moving one way or another, I can twist in different manners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the clip all the way over this way. So rather than doing an even, I'm just going to twist it this way. Yeah, move that material over here. And all I did was twist my wrist to send it that way. If I twist my wrist the opposite direction, I can send it back over that way. So we'll make another one, and then